to change temperature, right click, thermal properties, type in an exact temperature, click OK. And then on the left, S for solid, this tells you how much actually is in the solid state. You subtract this number from 100 to find how much actually dissolved. Here's some fake data for NaCl. By the way, in that first row here, you have to enter the actual formula of the salt and the word name for the salt. So here's some fake data. You can actually, once you have it completed, you can click on it, right click, copy, go to Microsoft Excel, click somewhere and do a paste, and there's your data all entered. You can actually widen the column. This is actually NaCl, and this is NaCl dissolved. So what we can do is we can select those three, Control C, come over here, Control V. We don't need the solid. We'll click on the top, right click, and delete. This is what we need to plot. So we'll select the data, do Insert, Chart, this one here, right click, Move Chart, we'll call this one NaCl, but you'll have all of your data. Okay, there it is. Over here, Quick Layout, choose the first one. Okay, over here it's going to be mass in grams of okay, so then over here, mass in grams of, I'll select it, down arrow, I'll right click, font, I'll try 20, x-axis, left arrow, right click, font, 20, okay, click on the number, right click actually, add major grid lines, add minor grid lines, y-axis, add minor grid lines, looks like that. We have series 1, but we need to have sodium chloride on that, so I'll go to this graph, take it.